आपकी दिशा में ध्यान रखिए। ऑल द बेस्ट, ऑल द बेस्ट। चल मोड़ दे उसको पुंजोरे।
Let's stop lying to ourselves for 1 second. This is not about foreigners being naturally strong. This is not about genetics. And this is not about luck. This is definitely not about destiny. And this is about nutrition, discipline, and denial. They count protein, we count excuses. They build systems, we build myths. They train their bodies, we train our egos, and then we act surprised when we lose. Look at the competition: tug of war, strength based games, physical endurance. This is not a debate competition, this is not a cultural show, this is not a nostalgia contest. This is biology. Muscle needs protein, endurance needs fuel, recovery needs diet, and you do not build power on stories, you build muscle on gyan. You don't build strength on WhatsApp forwards. You build it on protein, training, sleep, and discipline. But here is the real problem. We have romanticized weakness. We have glorified malnutrition and we have normalized undereating protein and we have turned food ignorance into national pride. You must have heard these things. Protein powder is dangerous. Gym food damages kidneys. Protein is artificial. Real Indians don't eat like this. Is not our culture. Kids are growing up protein deficient and adults are aging weak. Bones are fragile, muscles are underdeveloped, stamina is missing, and strength is theoretical, but confidence that is unlimited. Now let's talk about reality. A grown man needs protein daily, not once a week, not occasionally, and not when he feels like it. Daily, because muscle is not built in motivation, it is built in consistency. But if we replace consistency with comfort, roti is safe, rice is safe, sugar is safe, oil is safe, and even fried food is safe. Overeating carbohydrates is also safe, but under eating protein is a tradition. Because and then we wonder why strength does not show up when it's required. Because foreigners do not win because they are superior humans. They win because they train properly, eat properly, recover properly, they measure their nutrition, they respect their bodies as machines, not decorations. And we treat the body like a status symbol, not a system. We care more about opinions than performance, more about beliefs than biology, more about ego than evidence. And the biggest joke, we mock fitness, we mock gym diets, we mock supplements, we mock structured training. But when the result shows up, when strength is tested, when endurance is required, when the rope moves, there we suddenly become victims. And we say that the system is rigged, or they're cheating, or they're built different, or genetics, bro. No, they are fed different, they are trained different, and they are disciplined different. They are also educated different. This is not an insult, this is just a diagnosis. Protein deficiency is very real. Nutritional ignorance is real. Fitness misinformation is also real. Cultural deniability is real. And pretending otherwise is why we keep losing physical battles while winning verbal ones. Let's be honest. Pride does not pull ropes. Culture does not build muscle. Confidence does not generate strength, does not replace biology. Only nutrition, training, and discipline does. So, next time you see a loss like this, don't blame foreigners, don't blame genetics, fate, luck. Blame the diet, blame the myths, blame the ignorance, the excuse culture, and because strength is not inherited, it is constructed. And right now, we are building excuses and not bodies. Do like, share, and subscribe. Let's end with the sentence: you do not lose tug of war to people, you lose it to your diet.